Hey guys, Hardcore Hector here, and I think it's about time to do another PC tech vlog sort of thing. And because it's already been 2 years since I did like a full PC upgrade video, and I'm not saying it's time to upgrade my PC just after 2 years. On the contrary, tech has been slowing down so much that my PC and PC parts are still top notch compared to the other ones that, you know, because they keep releasing a new model like each year, but they're like, the improvements are so minuscule for like a regular person. At least I don't know about servers and all that stuff, but for a regular person, a gamer, even a video editor, that 2 years later, like I'm just saying, it's still the same stuff. It's still just as good. But I'm not here just to like kind of brag about my PC parts and everything. I wanted to do several videos talking about each part in my computer, because it's been 2 years now. I've used them to the limit basically, and I think I'm justified in giving like a full review. And of course, you know, it's 2 years later. Some of the parts might be sort of old. Some of them, like the GPU, it's only 1 generation old because the latest generation just came out. So it's only 1 generation old, it's fine. But other stuff, you know, it's a little bit older, still fine. And so I'm gonna kind of take this part. Honestly, I'm taking it apart a little bit because I need to make some tweaks here and there. But I want to talk about different parts, whether they're name brand parts, you know, reviews of the name brand parts. And I want to talk about the parts as like an introduction to computer and PC gaming and PC parts and stuff, just in case you just want to jump into it, because I just jumped into it. I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos and this is where I am now. It's not as hard as some people make it seem. But anyways, let's get started, I guess. I should also note that I have not cleaned it yet. I blew it out like 2 weeks ago, but I live with a lot of animals and I just dusted everything, so of course all the dust just came into my filters. So I gotta clean this a little bit, but I'm not so precise and anal that I'm gonna get every single piece of dust or hair or whatever. So throughout the reviews you will see some dust and hair. So like I said, I upgraded this computer about 2 years ago, and then before that I pretty much started building computers like, what, 2013, 2014? So it's been about 4 or 5 years since I've been building my own computers and managing my own PC and stuff. And I just want more people to jump into it, and because it's really not that hard. I'm saying don't be afraid to build a computer, and don't be afraid to ask for help when building your computer. It's really not that hard. And a lot of the PC community is pretty helpful. Yeah, you know, just like any other community, there's some assholes out there. But, you know, we can work together if we try. But that's the end of the intro video. Give this video a thumbs up, I guess, if you liked it or appreciated it. And subscribe for the rest of the videos talking about each part. You know, probably starting with the case. And then I got GPU, CPU, cooler, RAM, power supply. Oh yeah, I also got this new Wi-Fi thing. Well, I haven't really tested that one out. I probably won't talk about that too much. But I guess that's it. See you guys later.